You know your name. Why you ignore me? Are you watching the TV? Oh man, I was trying to make a video. Why? You don't care? Education. Hey, you all into the TV? Like, he loves the TV. Please. I just discovered this for him. He don't like cartoons yet. We haven't started our Rick and Morty. Too tired? Full fuck. Ain't no baby tired? You gotta vacuum my floor. Yeah, go ahead, stretch it out, but vacuum first. Look at my floor. I gotta vacuum every single. What you doing? Ain't nothing on the floor. There ain't no food on the floor. Hide the floor. What? You just. Oh, why you move and I can't see you?